Right, good morning everyone. Welcome back. It's been a while. Been lekker busy with all of the insurance assessments. Then some clients were unlucky. Lucky for our client and unlucky for the client to be caught having fraudulent insurance claims. But in any case, we're in in Weltevredenpark. And we've got an old Centurion D5 Evo sliding gate motor here. We're going to upgrade it with the Centurion D6 Smart. And just assessing what we need to do and where. Because the steel ground track needs some repairs. Check the gate wheels, they're all fine. Don't need to replace any bearings. So it's going to be an interesting one. Stay tuned. So the original 8 or 10 millimeter round bar was so bad, and I said to the client, it's not going to be cost effective to try and see if we can straighten it. It's always going to look bad. So what we're going to do is we're going to fit in a new 16mm round bar. We've already joined it, and we're going to fit new wheels. So hopefully later, if we do get enough time, we'll show you why you don't use 8 and 6 and turn 10mm round bar on a steel sliding gate system, regardless of what gate wheels you use. Right. This track is a bit crooked. You can see who casted it. But we've got a strong motor that can do the job. So the little uphill and downhill is not the concern. It's more about getting a track. Steel track where the wheels can run on smoothly. That's the bigger thing. If you look here, plastic rollers. This one is nice. And that one's, yeah, I have to replace that as well. Right, let's get going. Obviously with that, with the new wheels, we had to adjust the inline gate contact bracket. We go there. You can see the new round bar steel wheel. And then obviously it's in. We're going to now start with the platform, the steel platform for the gate motor. We've also installed a new roller. So currently the gate is running like smooth, and our platform is level. So we're just going to weld it into position. Right, done with the steel foundation plate. We've welded it at the back completely, and then we've used 3 coach screws to secure it. The reason why we're using coach screws is that they absorb vibration much better compared to a steel roll bolt. And the gate motor steel base plate has been welded into position. So we're now going to bolt it down. So we did paint everything, so there's no rust coming onto it. Motor's been bolted down, steel rack has been welded into position. brackets every 500 millimeter, and then obviously the startup sections have been reinforced. Time to fit all of the equipment into the gate motor and set the limits. Right, at last, 3 o'clock in the afternoon, but we're all done. Alright, let's quickly test it and see how it runs. This is a 5.04 meter gate. Just going to stand closer to it. Obviously we need to do a handover with the client, so we'll explain to him just now how everything works. But there you can see it. Gate motor is nice and upright. It's level with the steel sliding gate. And it's running. The sliding gate with ease. Yeah. Ground track is a little bit bent, but it's not going to affect it. So you guys, you know what to do. If you want your installation done like this, first time round, you give Pottie a call, 083 778 2288. See it standing dead still. And then obviously check out smartgates.co.za. These are contact numbers. We work the whole of Gauteng. Thanks for watching. Stay tuned for more.